The number one irritant we hear from business leaders and entrepreneurs today is that they've got good sales teams who are very good at managing current customers and account managing, but they don't kick in new doors with new logos. So we've intentionally set up our 2018 workshop program to focus on that problem. Most salespeople today are account managers. They don't have the ability to reach out through telephone demand generation, intelligently done, professionally done, to convert a name on a list into a qualified sales opportunity. Our half-day workshops, the In the Funnel demand generation workshops, will enable salespeople to spend half a day with us and leave with a mindset, tool set, and skill set to start developing an intentional demand generation program for your company. They'll target the right companies, they'll be able to articulate the right value proposition for your business and your industry. They'll understand the strategy of the first 15 seconds of a demand generation call. They'll understand the structure of a demand generation call that enables success. And then finally, they'll understand the importance of time blocking in their week to achieve the targets and the sales activities required to grow your business. Invest this time with us and you're going to get a return.